Hey everyone, this is Garima Gupta from Artha Learning, and today I'm going to show you how easy and quick it is to build basic AI activities using AIready. So let's take a look. I'm starting with an existing course built in Storyline. It is called Leading Effective Meetings, and it's a beautifully designed course from our Ready Plus library. It already covers important topics, defining meeting objectives, choosing who to invite, so on and so forth. And it includes a solid quiz and a case study. So now what we're going to do is see how we can further enhance this course by adding personalization and meaning using AIready. So let's say after the learning objective slide, we want to add a new one that essentially says to the learner, you are here, you're in this course. Let's talk about your goals, how you feel about meetings in general. Let's build a little bit of reflection exercise there. And the idea is to bring learners' personal experience into the learning. So I'm just going to copy the learning objectives layout, and I'm going to use this space to add. I'll add instructions here, and that acts as a thoughtful prompt for the learner. And then we need a place for the learners to respond to. So I'm going to add a text entry field here. I've also copied a button from another slide to maintain visual consistency, and I'm going to label it share. Okay, so when the learner writes a reflection and clicks share, we want a response layer to show up. For that, I'm creating a text variable called GPT response, and this is the variable that will hold the response from AI and show it. And I will make sure to display that variable in our response layer. Perfect. So that is all we need to do in Storyline. The only thing that's required now is to add the right code to the button. So I'm going to open the AIready user guide that comes with the subscription, and I'm going to copy the JavaScript code that is provided. I'll go to the share button, add a new trigger, execute JavaScript, and I'm going to paste the code there. So now I just need to do two more things. First, in the code, there's a placeholder. I need to replace that with the AIready key, and I want to customize the AI prompt. Depending on what the activity is, the prompt that we send to AI will be different, right? And we will also say if they say something irrelevant, steer the conversation back to the topic. So you can see just by putting clear instructions in the system prompt, I can make AI behave the way I want. The user response is going to be captured by the text entry variable, and the response layer that shows up will show the GPT response variable. So that's all you need. Two variables, one for the user input, one for the AI output, the right code, and we're good to go. Let's preview this, see how it looks. Okay, how do you feel about meetings at your work? Take a minute to reflect and share for AI guidance. Let's try entering an extreme opinion just to see what happens. And here is the response. I'm going to let you read this for a minute. And just like that, our first AI activity is done, all built out. Well, while we are at it, let's build another one. Say a slide about supporting effective meetings as a participant. I'll paste the slide here and change the prompt to, what actions can you take to be an effective meeting participant? That's it. I've just changed the prompt a little bit. And I'll make sure that our entry variables and response variables are right. So in this case, our entry variable is text entry 1. So let's update that. So as long as the variables in Storyline and JavaScript match, we are golden. Let's preview this one. Okay, I'm going to enter a thoughtful response. And let's see what AI gives back. Personal, relevant, meaningful guidance. And just like that, we've built two personalized AI activities so quickly. These reflections connect the learner's own experience with the course content and respond like a thoughtful coach would. In real use, I might add maybe a little bit of disclaimer there. I will also spend more time refining my prompt, testing with a range of learner responses. So that does take a little bit of time. In fact, why don't we just go and test one with a completely irrelevant input? There you go. It gently brings back the learner to the topic. And if we wanted to be stricter, we could just change the AI prompt and we could say, do not respond at all to irrelevant inputs. And we can suggest what kind of answer to give. That is the power of prompt design in the hands of instructional designers. So that's how easy it is to build basic AI activities using AIReady. If you need more information on AIReady, go to our website, aiforlnd.com or aiready.works. Details in the description below. Hope you enjoyed it.